Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the try another verification method error in Microsoft Rewards step by step. If you're trying to verify your phone number in Microsoft Rewards and see the message that verification method isn't working right now, here's what you need to do. First, make sure you're using your real mobile phone number, the one from your actual phone carrier. Microsoft doesn't accept Google Voice numbers or any virtual numbers from online services, so enter your real number, the same one your family or friends can call or text you on. If you've recently changed your number or tried verifying too many times, Microsoft might temporarily lock that setting. In that case, just wait 2 to 3 days, then try again using your correct phone number. If the issue still doesn't go away, contact Microsoft support. They'll manually verify your account or guide you through the fix. And that's it. Once you use your real carrier number, the verification will go through instantly, and you'll be able to keep earning your Microsoft rewards without issues. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.